Yeah,
Oh, nice one. How's everything going down there?
pretty good. It's all we're busy. We're pretty busy, which is good. This
Yeah.
website's doing its thing, eh?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
know. Well, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. Well, and to be honest, I want to pillage some of this conversation and use it in some marketing as well. But
Yeah.
there's like you've just been getting some insane results
Yeah.
with your SEO,
Yeah.
like up there with the best I've seen.
Great.
Which is I think it's probably a testament to the like the targeting we've done. Like we were really methodical about where we wanted to hit and what services, and from a data point of view, it's killing it. You're winning jobs from it and that kind of stuff.
Yeah, we've got some. It seems to be a lot of the strata things. Really seems to have picked up. Definitely, I can tell that. I'm in them asking people too where they hear about it, and they say the website. So it's obviously getting some kind of airtime on Google, I guess.
So when you came on board, what sort of problems were you having at the time? Apart from not being visible, I suppose, on the internet anyways.
Yeah, probably. Like we get all our leads were basically word of mouth, and we never did much advertising, if any at all. Really, it was like our advertising money was probably spent more on the trucks and things like that, uniforms. So we're quite a corporate-looking bunch. But and I wanted to push more of the maintenance side of things into bigger sort of commercial strata stuff.
Yeah.
And I just don't think I personally didn't have the time to actually go out there and start knocking on door after door after door after door. And we didn't have any presence. It was just by fluke if we got anything.
When you came to us, you didn't have, your website wasn't even up, was it? It had been down for a while. You had nothing basically.
Yeah, no, I've been down for over 12 months.
Yeah.
And then I had it for about maybe 6-7 years before that. And it was just done once, left, and became as outdated as that.
What's interesting is like our approach with you was always like we always built it with SEO in mind. Like it was never about the website. You always said, no, I want positioning, I want organic position. And so the website from the word go was built with the SEO campaign ready to rock, once it's completed.
The website's definitely given us the presence and just a bit of a what do you call it? Like we're quite homogenous now, between our uniforms, our cars, the look of the website.
Yeah, exactly.
Rather than just a bunch of guys in trucks.
Yeah.
And we're making a point of like looking at it, I guess, as an ecosystem or whatever you call it. But like every time we make a contact with someone, we're trying to find out exactly where it came from, just so.
Yeah. Now
we've got this website and it's working, but just sort of finding out, just dissecting our database, I guess. The first website provider that I've come across that's actually directed at trades and understands what's going on and how to make it work. So I wouldn't hesitate to recommend it to anyone, particularly trades.
Lovely. Thanks, mate. I'll send you a link to our Google My Business page shortly.
Yeah, cool. All right. Chat soon, eh?
See you, Gav. Bye.
See ya. Bye.